Another interesting application of VBA worksheets or other areas or ranges from finance, and I come to this point. I want to go to my first page because I have many tabs here. On solution A here on that link, I'm going to this page here in this part that I call range solution A, and here again. So what happened? Just I can insert here one element like this. I can also do like this a shape. Okay, I can edit a test, and then I'm going to align this and current folder. I'm looking for a file, recent files, or browse pages, or even here place in this document. And here you see that when I click on this, I have a list of cell reference here, guidelines, financial metrics, recommendations, calculations, etc., or a list of defined names or ranges, range solution B, etc. In this case, I say range solution B. If I click on this, I'm going here to this. This is called range solution B. This one is linked from edit link to A1 guidelines. Okay, we're going to this edit link, place in this document, and I click on calculations. And I click on this, and I come to A1 in calculations. Edit link C5. So I come to calculations to C5. This one selected. So I'm gonna cancel this for the moment. I just create here a menu where it is easily where it is easy to navigate, because this is a complex workbooks with a lot of tabs or worksheets and a lot of ranges to inside. For example, I want here to start from this point and not from this part, from the top of details, and I come directly to this part. I may also have here again a button for home or for top of the page. Here home, and I'm here, wherever you want in your workbooks or even to other workbooks.